Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I want to talk about something that I just noticed in my garden earlier today. It looks like my squash leaves are starting to develop some sort of fungus. I did a little research online and it looks like it might be anthracnose, which I guess is pretty common in squash, but it's also really bad because if you don't take care of it quick, it'll spread and basically kill your entire crop of squash. The first thing you have to do when you identify a fungus problem in your squash plants is you have to go and get rid of all the leaves that look infected. So I'm going to go ahead, go through and snip off all these bad leaves. Alright, so the one thing you don't want to do with your infected leaves is toss them into your compost pile. We don't want this fungus getting into our compost. We don't want it ending up back in our garden. So we're just going to toss it right in the trash can. Get rid of it. Next thing we're going to do is wait till it cools down tonight. After it cools down, we're going to spray our squash plants down with neem oil extract. Alright guys, it's cooling down nicely out here, so I think now's a good time to spray our squash plants with our natural fungicide. Neem oil is a natural fungicide, and it also repels other pests like aphids, whiteflies, just other bugs you really don't want in your garden. So using neem oil in your garden is a great pest control method if you're trying to stay organic. So I'm using a organic neem oil extract spray. I mean, it's probably mostly water, but 0.9% neem oil. So I'm gonna go ahead now and spray my squash plants and my cucumber plants. I'm just gonna go ahead and get down in there. And I'm gonna just set this camera down for a second and bang all these out real quick. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. We sprayed all our squash plants, we sprayed our cucumber plants with the neem oil extract, so hopefully our fungus problem won't be an issue anymore. The recommendations are to spray your squash and cucumber plants every 7 to 14 days with the neem oil. So I'm going to do that. I'm also just going to keep an eye out if anything else pops up that I got to take out of there. But I think I feel pretty good about this, and hopefully it won't be an issue anymore. So I will see you guys later. Thanks for stopping by.